All right, so today we're going to show you guys how to dice up, slice up, shred carrots. First, we're going to clean them off with this thing. You follow me? Then we're going to use the Kenmore Short Order 2 Massacre machine. And this thing is amazing. Look at this. That's the blade. This goes in there like that.
It's 33 years old.
It's 33 years old.
I got it in 1988. How old is that?
I don't know, that's like maybe 100 years
No,
old.
really. How old? That's more than 33.
Do I put this on this way? Or do I flip it
It
around?
depends on what you're doing. This way, if you want to cut it here, turn it over. Is
Oh,
how I do.
oops, I screwed up. So it does, it's going to shred, right? We're going to shred them?
Yeah.
So we got to have it so this is on top. All right, and this is 30 years old or 40 years old, 100 years old. We're not quite sure.
1988. How old is it?
Nobody really knows.
I'm serious.
I mean, it's like how many meters are in a mile? Nobody knows. All right, here we go. Implements of mass destruction, garbage can to throw the pieces in. First things first, we got to cut the ends off. Because, you know, got to get the ends cut off. And then get these, she lines like 100 of them up at once. And off with their heads. Off with the heads. Caught with your thumb. Don't cut your thumb off. That was close. That could have been an emergency room. Vacation. Or trip too. Do you really need to cut them anymore?
Yeah, these are gross ends.
You're so close to your thumb.
But not really.
She's a genius. Oh my God, there goes her little finger. All right, here we go. We got a bowl. We got to put the top on, right? So the top goes like that, and it's just kind of, and that's it. It just squishes on. And then you got to turn it on, right? That's it. Check it out. Shredded carrots, ladies and gentlemen. And this cleans up really easy. You just put it in the washing machine, and in the sink and squirt it. Are we going to chop anything else up with this?
Not that.
All right. So that's what you get when you're done. Oh yeah, yummy. And throw those away. Our dog used to eat those, but not anymore. See, we're making seaweed salad. So that's the seaweed. That's the carrots. We're gonna put some peppers in there and cucumbers. It's gonna be delicious. Oops. Are we gonna make them chunky, or what are we gonna do?
No.
All right, so we're using the OXO chopper. You see this thing? This will chop your stuff up so fast into little pieces. Look at that thing. I would not get my finger under there. Here she goes. She's a chop-o-matic. Chop, chop, chop. In case you were wondering what that sound was. Wow, look how fast it does it. Could you imagine? So much quicker than the knife. Bam, done. Oh, that's good. And then we just sprinkle it in. Whoops. What? Oh, you squeezing out the water?
I don't want that.
I like the water. The juice is good. She squeezes the juice out. The juice out. All right, we're gonna do some green olives, and I think we're gonna do some. I think we're gonna do some black olives too, right? All right, let's get these olives going. Choppity chop chop. Are we gonna chop them with the chopper? Let's try it. Let's see what happens. It's okay if it's got some water.
No,
in
I
it.
just rinsed it all out. I know all water.
All right, get them in there. Let's see what happens. Holy caramoles. That's a lot faster than cutting with a knife. My honey usually does a knife. But today...
I like to make like the circles for salad, you know?
Oh. That makes sense.
This is okay.
All right, here we go. Now we got olives. Should I get the black olives?
Yeah, probably. Why not?
Okay, I'll get a can of black olives. Next, we're going to do these little tomatoes. And I don't think you can chop those in the chopper
No, they
because
get mushy.
they get smushed up. Black olives. My honey's doing it with the knife. Just get them all choppity chopped. We got lots of them. These are all different colors too, which is nice and delicious. All right, so just chopping those up. And they're gonna go right in there.
Down now.
Yeah. I feel for them because I feel the same way in the morning.
You know?
It's like I can barely move. She almost stabbed me. That was close. And last but not least, that's it. And there they go, right in there. Oh, she squeezes out water. I like the juice though, isn't it? Isn't the juice
No, I
good
think
for you?
It just gets too icky.
She doesn't like the juice.
It's too juicy anyway, especially if I throw some lettuce in there.
I like juice. Well, we don't have to put lettuce in it if you don't want
Oh, I
to.
have it.
Bam. Nice. Very colorful. That's what you want. You want, when you eat, you should be eating lots of colors. All right, here we go. Black olives. One almost got away. And they go. Oh, this is going to be delicious. Now we have one more veggie bowl. Cucumbers.
Cucumbers, onions.
I learned something today.
What is it?
I learned that you shouldn't eat a giant bowl full of oatmeal before you do yoga.
What's in your hair?
I don't know, probably oatmeal. I probably threw up on myself.
I don't know what that is.
It's hard to get it out of its prophylactic. Oh well, we're just cutting it. We don't care. She thinks that it's soft.
I don't think it's soft. It is soft. Shouldn't do that.
I'm sorry. I'll take some Viagra.
Have to see
Fix that.
if it's salvageable.
You gotta taste it and see if it's, you know. I mean, why do they wrap them so hard, so much? I'm gonna rinse them. Oh, she's gonna skin them because they've been bad. This is another thing that your dogs would love to eat is the skin off the cucumber. Unfortunately, we don't have a dog anymore. There's one. Yummy. Look at that bad boy. He's big. All right. You're going right in there, buddy. First, we're going to just decimate you. All right, so now she's checking. What do you think? What do you think? Let me try it. Good.
All right.
So she quarters them, halves them, and then quarters them, or eighths them, I should say.
Just with this small.
There they go, right in there. Boom. And boom. Bam, done. Next. All right. Well, I think we got a pretty big salad now. What do you think?
We used half of the bag of stuff.
Oh, man. Should we mix it up? Oh, onion. Yum.
My knives are so dull.
But your personality isn't. It's sharp as a tack. All right, so we put some garlic in there?
I do.
Got something on your finger. Got it. Oh, we get to use the chopper. Wow, look at that. Residual olive. This is in the detail page, and I'll put a link, and you guys can buy one if you want. I mean, it works great. There she goes. Onions. She doesn't like putting a lot of onions in. I like a lot of onion, but who knows? All right, well, we're going with the seaweed. Oh, seaweed juice. Is there any more seaweed in there?
Yes.
Should we just use all of it?
I'm not sure. I'll see.
So this is it right here. This is the seaweed. We got it from Costco. So you guys can get it there. It's delicious. And it makes an unbelievable salad with all your vegetables. Yeah, absolutely. All right, so let's mix it up a little bit. I don't think I'm a very good mixer. We're putting some special salt in here, which I think that one's empty. Honey, it's hard to mix it. Show me that salt. What kind of salt is that? This is really tasty salt. It's got a name. What is it? Oh, look right here. That's it, citrus blend. Borsari or something? I don't know. But you can get that at Whole Foods. I think you also get it at Publix.
No.
No, where'd you get it at?
Just Whole Foods.
Eckerd's?
Whole Foods.
Oh, Whole Foods.
Eckerd's.
You gotta get it. I don't know. I don't know why I heard Eckerd's.
I don't think there's Eckerd's anymore.
Oh, there isn't? All right.
So what I need to do is cut the seaweed salad up so it's not so long and stringy.
Oh, yeah. Do you have a really sharp knife
But
you
I
can do it
meant to
with?
do that before I did all this.
Oh, well. Hey, that's laid plans of men and men.
I
Of
guess
women
I
and
can
men.
throw the rest of it in.
Of mice and men.
And I'm going to give some to Kim.
Kim, we're not giving her any. We already gave her our jackfruit. Jeez.
She's going to bring back over some of it because I didn't break out, so.
You didn't? Oh, give it a chance. It takes a week. All right, so we mix it all up like that. And then we eat it, I guess. Jeez, she's mixing it. All right, here we go. Here we go. What do you think? Good? Tasty? Should we put the rest in? Or do you want to chop it up first? It's a lot of seaweed in there. Decisions. You remember that scare that they had on the internet where they said you should never put your onions back in the refrigerator?
No.
That was a bunch of malarkey. Wow, that is so good. All right, I'm going to take me a spoonful. All right, here we go.
If there's anything else I want to put in it.
It's chewy. I mean,
Yeah, I'm going to chop it with
the seaweed is chewy. But it's delicious. Highly recommend.